Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how you can use our site to troubleshoot the problem you're having with your refrigerator. Remember, all of the information that you'll see on this page is not model specific. To guarantee accurate information and the right parts for your refrigerator, you should search our site using your model number. No matter what the symptom is that you're experiencing, there are certain parts that are most likely to be causing your problem. Below, we've identified the common refrigerator parts that fail for this symptom. For each part, you will find helpful information like what the part does, how it can fail, and how you will know if it is the faulty part. You can then use this information to help you determine which parts you need to replace, just like a professional appliance servicer does. To get started on your repair, enter your model number into the search box below. This will also let you access installation videos, instructions, and more to help you complete your repair from start to finish. And that's just how easy it is.